my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see how to make this miniature bed. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time. For the bed, I have taken two cardboard pieces of 6 by 6.5 inches. I glue them together and seal the corners, sides with paper tape. For the legs of the bed, I have taken 3 cardboard pieces of 4 by 1 inch for 2 legs and then paper tape them. Then I have taken this big piece of cardboard, 2 cardboard pieces of 10 by 6.5 inches, and I'm going to mark the side table and the bed frame on this. Today's video is suggested by Swati Sarkar. I hope you all will enjoy it, and you can too make suggestions of videos that you want to watch, and I'll try to make them. The design of the bed I've seen many years ago, and I really like this design. The side tables do not have any legs, and it is fixed with the bed itself, so it's kind of a hanging side table. So the side table is 2 inch by 1.25 inch, and the bed frame will be ½ inch on all sides. Now the parts I am marking with black Sharpie, I will cut it out. So it will come out like this, and I'll glue both the cardboards together again and paper tape them. Around the edges. I've used this rustic wood printed paper to cover the bed frame and the side table. I've also stuck the legs behind at the bottom. Now for the mattress, I've taken this sponge and I've taken a cardboard of 6 by 4.5 inch, and I stick the sponge on it. It's better if you get a white sponge. I didn't get white sponge, so I used this blue and yellow sponge. So I've used this packing material that came with my Amazon shipping. So I've used this because when I use my white fabric on this, the color of the sponge was visible. So I use this packing material to cover the color a little bit. If you are using white sponge, then you need not use this material. You can directly cover it with white fabric. So this is how I'll cover it, and again hot glue it. Now for the headboard, I have taken 6 by 4.5 inch cardboard again, and I'll use popsicles to make some designs on it. I've used basics to white glue. I'll cut off the excess. For the legs, I've used 2 more popsicles. I'll glue them at the back. I've again used the rustic wood printed paper to cover the headboard, because my bed frame is of the same texture, I mean wood color. I've used Mod Podge and water here to glue this. You need to use a little more water here so that the shape of the popsicle comes through this paper. But you need to be very careful while using the water, because the paper might tear. I'm making some markings so that it's more visible. Now I've taken this printed fabric and I have folded the edges. Now with the help of fabric glue, I will just paste the sides. This would be my sheet or blanket on the bed. For the pillow, I have used white cotton fabric, and I'll do 2 sides. After drying this too, I'll turn it inside out. Now I have this packing material left, so I'm using those inside the pillow. You can use any soft material, even cotton, inside the pillow. I'll do the edges again. I've made a yellow pillow too. Now it's ready to assemble. I will not fix the headboard. The full bedroom set will be coming next week, so keep an eye on it. So that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.